Okay, it's April 20th. It's 10 o'clock at night. My hamster just woke up from being asleep all day. Sorry, I have the sniffles, but she's eating some lettuce. This is romaine lettuce, which she hasn't had any good green stuff in a couple of days. I've been feeding her the dry hamster food, a little bit of bread. So just enjoy the hamster show. She's noisy. Give her a little nudge there. Okie doke. The greener, the better for her. She likes the green stuff versus lighter colored lettuce. She wants the darker stuff. She loves wheat bread and doesn't like tomatoes that much. Likes cheese, likes crackers. Sometimes she likes me. Where are you going? Okay. Anyway, she found. Oh, that was celery that she had, celery leaf. Anyway, we'll get back with you folks later. Enjoy the greenery here on the 20th of April.